Very much, Madam President. Yes, recent events in Iraq and Iran shows us how fragile the stability in the world is, and that escalation is never far away. Moreover, we have to realize that the EU must combine its strengths to protect our global interest. We need to speak more with one voice, backed up with serious military capacities. It's good that the EU wants to keep the nuclear deal alive, but we have also to warn Iran. The Iranian demonstrators are not to be harmed. As the EU, we have to be firm to protect the universal rights of demonstration by Iranian people. And I'll call upon the High Representative to double its efforts in initiating a dialogue between the US and Iran. That's the only way forward out of this hazardous situation. Thank you very much, Madam President.